In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge layers in Figma. By the end, you'll understand the difference between permanently flattening layers, creating an editable merge with boolean operations, and simply grouping layers when you don't actually need to combine their paths. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your design in Figma so you can follow along with your own file. Merging layers can mean different things depending on your goal. So I'll walk you through the 3 most common approaches, and when to use each one. First up is flatten, which creates a permanent merge. Flattening takes multiple layers or shapes and compresses them into a single vector object. This is a destructive action, which means you won't be able to edit the original individual layers afterward. It's handy when you've finalized a set of shapes and want to simplify your canvas or prepare assets for export. To do this, select the layers or shapes you want to merge by holding Shift and clicking them. Then, right-click your selection and choose Flatten from the menu. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl-E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. After flattening, everything behaves as a single vector, which is great for keeping things tidy. But remember that the original structure is gone. If you want an editable merge instead, use the union selection boolean operation. This combines shapes so they function like one object. But you can still adjust the underlying layers individually. It's perfect when you are still iterating on a logo, icon, or any composite shape. To use it, select the shapes you want to combine. Click the boolean operations icon in the top toolbar, the one that looks like 2 overlapping squares, and choose union selection from the drop-down. The shortcut is Alt+Shift+U on Windows or Option+Shift+U on Mac. You'll get a single compound shape in the Layers panel. And you can dive back in to tweak, move, or restyle the original parts at any time. Finally, if your goal is simply to move or scale multiple layers together without merging their paths, grouping is the non-destructive option. Grouping keeps each layer fully intact while letting you manipulate them as a unit. Select your layers and press Ctrl-G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. This is ideal for organizing your layout without changing how shapes interact. That's it. Thanks for watching.